Why does it seem as though everything is LLM-based? LLMs have become an increasingly common interface to other technologies. Suppose a company builds an assistant that answers questions about sales. Behind the interface, several different systems may be working together. For example, an LLM interprets the user's question. A retrieval system finds relevant documents. A database executes a structured query. A forecasting model predicts future sales. A program generates a chart. The LLM explains the results in natural language. The user encounters one conversational assistant, so the entire application may appear to be an LLM. In reality, the LLM acts as the coordinator or communication layer. The numerical forecast may come from a time series model, the records from a database, or the chart from conventional software. This hybrid structure is increasingly important. LLMs are powerful, partly because they can connect people to specialized tools using ordinary language, but fluency should not be confused with universal competence. A model that can describe how forecasting works is not automatically the best model for forecasting tomorrow's electricity demand.